You've always been peeling boiled eggs wrong and didn't know it. That's right, everyone. Many people just love eating hard-boiled eggs, but they also think that peeling them is too much work. Besides wasting a lot of time doing it, look what always ends up happening. You start taking off chunks of boiled eggs along with the shell. So besides wasting time, now you're also wasting your eggs. So guys, I'm going to give you a pretty simple tip so you can peel eggs in seconds. And of course, so this never happens to you again. Let's do this. The tip is actually pretty simple. You're going to take the eggs and pull them in a pot. Then let's add some water. Personally, I prefer adding just enough water to cover the eggs. Okay, then let's take it to the heat. And we're going to leave it there for 10 to 15 minutes. Also feel free to comment on this video. How do you make your hard-boiled eggs? Some people wait for the water to boil or whatever. So let us know in the comments. All right, after time, let's turn off the heat now. The next step, now we're going to discard this water, all right? So until now, no big deal, folks. All right, so now here comes the big secret. You're going to need a glass. Then just add a little bit of water, but not too much. Once you've done this, cover the glass with the palm of your hand and then shake it like this. It's pretty quick, all right. Once you've done that, look, check this out. Done already. Look at this, folks. That's actually pretty simple, right? And also very quick. It didn't even take 5 seconds. So let's do it again. Take an egg. Put it inside the glass. Add a little water, then just shake it. And look, folks, very cool, right? That's very handy and also very easy. So that's it, pretty cool, right? So if you're going to make hard-boiled eggs at home, don't waste time and eggs. Try this out, and I'm sure you really like the result. Thank you for watching this video so far. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. See you in the next video. Bye.